Recently, I was asked if there are any accent differences between people from different regions in Russia. And for sure, there should be, right? Because even in the smaller countries, in different regions, sometimes people cannot understand fully each other. But in fact, the differences between accents in Russia is quite subtle. So mostly it's connected to the pronunciation of unstressed vowels. In some regions, you pronounce more O instead of A, or Ya instead of E, and so on and so forth. But there are some filler words or like small words that are specific to specific regions in Russia. And there are like normal words which are also specific to one city or another, or not just a city, but a region. So let's today speak about one word, which is cigarette butt, and in Russian, usually it's akurak. So it's formed from the verb kurit, to smoke, and the prefix o shows us the result, the complete action. So like kurit or kurak. This is something like grist, it's to bite, and agrizak, it's like something that left after you bite something. For example, apple core, it's agrizak от яблока. Or to break, it's ломать, and обломок, it's a fragment. So this prefix o and also the diminutive suffix ok, so akurok. Because first it was just akur, now only akurok is used, like diminutive version of it. But in St. Petersburg, usually another word is used. In fact, I learned it when I was 18 or even 20. I didn't know it before. So they use usually the word khabarik. So in fact, khabar is something you find, some loot, like in the games. So it's like a leftover small item which you can find on the street, and it's like kind of a small treasure. And why small? Because also khabarik, the suffix ik is used, so it's diminutive suffix. Do you know some other words which are specific to one or another region in Russia?